Mr. Vijay Chakraborty, who is the Member of Parliament from Guwahati. She was the former Union Minister for Water Resources. Request you, ma'am, to please come and take the dais.
For sports, Sri Sabanda Sonalji, and Mr. Brahmai, Vice Chancellor, Dibrugarh University, and Mr. Humayun Kabir, former ambassador from Bangladesh, Srikanji, Professor, JNU, and Kishore Mandas, my friend, and Jashi Das Barma, and Professor Sonu Trivedi, and all dignitaries sitting there, and all my friends who are sitting here as audience. First, I am to assure you that I am not an expert in this subject. But point is this, that today world is shrinking like anything. Previously, it takes 3 days to go to Delhi. Now, within 2 hours, you will arrive Delhi from Guwahati. Everywhere. So, like this, the world is coming together. So, to do something better, we must have got proper cooperation, proper coordination, and a sense of understanding with our neighboring areas. That's why Honorable Prime Minister, while thinking of Act East on the Low-Kist policy, he has visited all the neighboring countries. He has visited Bangladesh. Honorable Prime Minister visited Myanmar. Everywhere he has gone there. Because in today's world, like in the Veda, we know that Matasya Parvati Devi Pita Deva Maheshwara Bandhava Sarvabhaktesya Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Thakabilake nichchoy buji paise. যে এই পৃথিৱীখনৰ সকলোবিলাকে আমাৰ ভাই বন্ধু, they are like our parents, like our brothers, like our relative, like our friend. That is the concept of the world, the sense of brotherhood, each and everyone. So the major thrust, the major aim, as it is given by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, to have full faith on the neighboring countries. So, former Bangladesh High Commissioner sitting here, আপনাকে আমি আমার এখানে বসে আছেন, আপনি এটা আমার কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সি, আপনাকে আমি ওয়েলকাম করেছি। So, when I visited Bangladesh, you will be surprised to know, মোক কৈছে আসামের একটা মেয়ে এসেছে, মানে মন্ত্রী আহিছে, মন্ত্রী থাকোঁতে গৈছিলোঁ, মন্ত্রী আহিছোঁ বুলি কোৱা নাই, আসামের একটা মেয়ে এসেছে, ভালো ভালো পদ্মারি লিস্ট উনকে ভেজে খাও। মানে এই যে love and respect, these things is there everywhere if you go. Everywhere if you go, you will get this sense. But before we have got good relationship, as Boragohai stated here, we have got good understanding, good relationship. It is a historical truth with all the southeastern areas. If you go to Myanmar, if you go to other adjoining states up to Indonesia, you will find lots of remains of the ancient culture that was there in India. So all these things up to Java, Sumatra, it is a part of this huge continent. But slowly and gradually, because of political desire, it has been bifurcated like that. But this India cannot survive alone, Northeast cannot survive alone, without having full cooperation with all these countries. That's why the mass trust has been given to Act East policy. So that's why, because all who are sitting here, মই অসমীয়াত কৈ দিছোঁ, এওঁলোকে যাতে বাকীবিলাকে নুবুজে। এই কাৰণে কৈছোঁ, আমি মায়ানমাৰ বুলিলে কি বুজোঁ, সৈন্য বুলিলে কি বুজোঁ, এই আমাক আক্ৰমণ কৰিছিলে। আমি মায়ানমাৰ বুলিলে কি বুজোঁ, যে আমাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকক তাত উগ্ৰবাদী ট্ৰেইনিং দিয়ে, দি পেলাই আমাক মাৰে। Is it not the concept? This concept is there in our mind. But this concept is slowly and gradually changing. People there who are living, they are also like us, not much rich. Many progressive institutions are now growing up there, no doubt. Even then, the lot of the common people, plight of the common people, all are same. So a cooperation is extremely necessary. So here one point I want to assert: if you cannot make your house in order, you cannot think to improve your neighboring areas. So first, we must see that how Northeast comprised of 8 states, 7 states, now plus 1, 8 states, must be developed first. You will be surprised to know, so far skill is concerned. Skilled person in our country, hardly 5%, 4.69. In India. In Assam, it is less than 1%, one journalist told me. Skilled person in Assam, less than 1%. But in Japan, it is 80%. In America, it is 90%. In China, it is 76%. Skilled people. If you work, if you have cooperation, if you have got the mutual understanding, mutual change, mutual exchange, we must have that our young people, our youth, comprised of 30 crores people in the country, they must be well equipped with skill. In our unorganized sectors, we have got 96% persons who are working in the field, who are working in the roads. All these people, they are comprised of 96%, but the actual skilled person, it is one thing. So we must equip with all these things, then we can think for, then we can work wholeheartedly and in cooperation with rest of the country. Because if we cannot be developed fully, other people will never respect us. People must think that we are going to be a world leader, that what our Prime Minister stated, each and everyone. Prime Minister is acclaimed as one of the best supreme person in the world, because he is working for the downtrodden and he is working for each and everyone of the country. That's why this skill development program, that's why this Act East policy, that's why all the schemes, I do not like to state it here. So all this policy, because it is for the poor people, because Prime Minister want that even there should be no poverty-stricken people, no poor people. Each and everyone must have got some means to survive. So for to develop, have cooperation, to work for Act East policy, we must be well equipped, and we can stand on our own. We must have got skilled population, so that we can work with self-respect, and we must be a dominating one in this field. So with this word, I wish you all the best. I thank you, organizer, who are organizing this very good seminar, which is really we want it. So thank you very much.